Welcome back to my life, that is the Sauger's Life, our channel name. So as promised in my last video that I will first take my bike to fill up the puncture liquid on my both the tires. So here it is. Today I am visiting their shop. We'll check out what are the prices and how the actually it works, what are the warranty for all these things. I will cover up each and everything in this video. So just let me give a glimpse of the bike. Just now I just washed it. So just wash the bike. Looks clear and awesome. So this is the new drawback which I found today morning. So whenever we wash the windshield from inside, the water stays there, and this area and this area there is a very less space, so we can't put your clothes inside. So it will automatically go once we ride our bike or put the bike in sun. That's the one which I found today. So let's continue our video. So sorry, no moto vlog videos because गाई में मैं ये हेलमेट उठा के लेके आया. So sorry for that. So friends, I have reached to Roadstar. So it's situated at Chembur, exactly opposite of Swastik Chamber. This is the Swastik Chamber building. So यहाँ पे the official put the tire puncture liquid on the bikes. You can see, and torque and this puncture liquid to put in your bike. Sorry for lots of noise. I have lots of traffic here. So let me show you how they put it. So the tire puncture liquid covers all kind of vehicles. You can see the KTM RC 4-wheelers, the Jeep and the SUVs. They are cover each and every car. So friends, we have Mr. Shreyash from Roadstar. He is the one who's look after the tire puncture liquid, and he is the owner of the Tire Star, which is located at the chamber shown you in the starting of this video. So let's have some word with him. So Shreyash, tell us how is this liquid will provide us and beneficial for all of the riders to install on our 4-wheeler or the bikes.
So actually this is only meant for tubeless tires.
Okay.
So if the tire has alloy wheels to a bike, so that has been installed in this.
Okay.
So this working is actually on basis of the tire quality.
Okay.
So the life of this gel is around the life of your tire. So if a car is having a life of 40,000 kilometers, so gel life would be approximately about the same.
Okay.
So this working is like if a nail punches in,
right,
so it seals automatically.
Oh.
While riding, you don't get any problems if you are going out and you don't get a puncture wala or something. So
right,
this actually helps you in that things.
Okay.
The second plus point is like it doesn't get you stuck in middle of the roads.
Right.
So that's the most beneficial things, because everyone goes for a ride, so they have a fun. And
right,
if someone gets a puncture,
yeah,
then it's not viable to go for a ride or something.
Right.
So that's the basic thing. So warranty for this is like the tire which touches the ground, the area which touches the ground, that covers into the warranty part.
Okay.
And we give you a 100% warranty for whatever it is done. If what the mistakes have been calculated or anything,
right,
it happened to the tire.
Okay.
So basically this is the gel, and you can have a visit at Roadstar for this thing, or else we do polishing, detailing as well for other bikes, and we are specialists for Enfield bikes in mechanical works and accessories. So you can have a visit at Worcester Chamber.
Okay, that's great. So friends, now you know to where we have to come. Just like shown in the starting of this video, exactly opposite of the Swastik building, we have the Roadstar shop here. So you can visit for all of the queries. You can meet Mr. Steyas here, and he will provide all the information regarding waxing your bike, polishing, glass coating, all the services our car or the bike require. So if you guys want more information, I will provide the in description box, so you can visit their website too. So also they have all kind of polish, wax polish, coating and interior cleaning services here. You can check out their rates. They also have services for your two-wheelers. They wash your bikes, they do the Teflon coating and all these things. So first they will remove the air from the tire and then fill out that puncture liquid in the tire. You can see they have removed the tire ball to put liquid inside.
पॉलीमर कोटिंग आपण जे टचअप करतो ना, केलेले पॉलीमरला मेंटेन करण्यासाठी आपण आपण एक लिमिटेड टाइम बोलतो. हळूहळू टाक.
You can see the marking how much ml is there.
आता 100 टाक.
So on the rear side they will pour 450 ml and the front tire they will pour 300 ml. So now it's time for the rear front tire. They are removing the air from the tire. So you can see all the air from the tire has been removed. Let me push the tire. This thing inside. You can see the greenish liquid going inside the tire. So as said, the 300 ml will be go inside the front tire and 450 ml on rear tire.
गाड़ी पूरे का साइड बनाने के लिए. हेलो हेलो हाँ सर.
That's done in front tire too. So the puncture liquid has been filled in both the tires. आगे के टायर भी और पीछे के टायर भी. Now they will be wait for 10 minutes and then they will fill out the air in tire. So as per the TVS recommendation, the front tire will be have 32 psi and the rear tire will also have the 32 psi air pressure. So now we installing the wall back. So let's see what we have got from tire protector. There must be invoice. So क्या है? So this is the Roadstar Auto Care. What are the things they cover in their shop? So these are the pricing for all of the servicing. If you guys want to check, you can pause the video. So all of the services, they also have the AMCs for cars. They have AMCs for bullets too. They also have servicing for Royal Enfield with gold, silver, bronze, whatever it is. And this is how they take care of the vehicle. Let me keep aside what we have here. Oh, so these are the pro installation instruction, what we have to do and what don't. So in short, let me tell you that they have normally told me that first 10 kilometers we can't speed up more than 20 to 30 kilometers. This is what they have told me. So these are the steps how to remove the nail from your tire and puncture. If you guys want to read all these things, you can pause the video. What's the next page? This is the pre-installation checklist. Same, if you guys want to read whole page, you can pause this video. This is the final paper, which is the invoice. So here it is. So they have put front tire, they have put 300 ml, and rear tire they have put 450 ml, and it is costed me for 2,100. For each and every bike they have put different kind of ml as per the bike tire size, or the scooter tire size, or the four-wheeler. All the details as said in earlier this video, you can get it on their official website. I will put their official website in the link in the description box. Bike यहाँ पे है. Each and everything has been done. You guys had already seen the video, so you guys know where to head down for doing the same thing. Roadstar Auto Care at Chembur. So I will end the video here. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Sagar signing off. Bye bye.